thinking that it's a trap. A long maze, dreaming of getting stacks, making scratch the wrong way. What the song say? We murder motherfuckers dead. Black out, no track out, my lyrics never bury. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. Like, yeah, niggas pull out when I say so. Commits to popping motherfuckers, copying fatal. Efficiently, I delete and flee. The art of war, live a sucker free. Get with me, nigga, this so sing it, nigga, go to sleep. You can get your cash on, nigga, if you peep. Machiavelli got shot 5 times, got out of jail on bail and sold 5 million. So more records than all you trick motherfuckers put together. More than the firm, more than Bad Boy, murder mob deep, more than I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. From the east to west.
X gon' give it to ya. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to ya. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop-up, stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make a motherfucker one day if we get it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am like someone got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I break who you sending me. You motherfuckers never wanted nothing but your life saved. Bitch, and that's on a life day. I'm getting down, like a nigga said freeze. But won't be the one ending up on his knees, bitch, please. But the only thing you can't steal was came out to play. Stay out my way, out my way. Don't get it twisted. This rap shit is mine, motherfuckers. Fucking gang. Yeah, fuck what you
I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. From the east to west.
I love pissing you off, gets me off. Like my lawyers when the fucking judge lets me off. All you motherfuckers gotta do is set me off.
Like my lawyers when the fucking judge lets me off.
I'm a lit fuse, anything I do, bitch, it's news. Pistol the whipping motherfucking bounce to 6'2". Who needs bullets? As soon as I pull it, you sweat bullets. An
Excellent method to get rid of the next bully.
It's actually better cause